Amazing what you find in the cupboard when you're not looking for it. Well anyway, I found an AMD 5200B processor. It's clocked at 3.4 GHz, and as my last junky AMD 3800 plus single core got an absolutely amazing 1.1 GHz overclock, I decided to pull it out and see what we could do with it. Right, I'll see you in a minute when I've tweaked around with it for a little bit, swore at it, and see what kind of overclock we can get. Okay. Well, it seems that was all a little bit too much excitement for our CPU. It turns out that the AMD 5200B is not clocked at 3.4 GHz at all. It's clocked at 2.7. It turns out when I swapped the processor over, surprisingly, the motherboard didn't recognise I'd changed the CPU and continued using the old settings, including the overclock from the 3800 and the voltage setting that I'd selected, and stuck 1.5 volts, yes I had gone that high, through 1.3 volt CPU, and well, it has an onboard memory controller, and no matter what memory I put in this thing, it still does similar things to this, and it's got integrated graphics, so it indicates a memory fault, but it's not the memory, it's either the chipset or the CPU, and as the CPU is the last thing changed, it's probably the CPU. Right, if you're seeing this, it's confirmed it was the CPU. Okay, join me in other videos where we have other overclocking, including liquid nitrogen coming up in the future, as well as PLCA, thermoelectric cooler overclocking, and other stuff like that with some benchmarks and things like that. My friend's got my Windows 10 and my Windows 7 discs at the moment, so this machine's no good for benchmarking. I've run Blender to check for stability issues in Linux in the Ubuntu Studio, but yeah, apart from that, you know, there's not a lot we can do benchmark wise this week, but next week we've got some seriously interesting stuff coming along. I'll test these CPUs, benchmark them against each other and see what kind of performance gains we can actually get by overclocking them. So far I've seen some pretty good results just overclocking them, and they are stable. Unfortunately we've blown up this one, but hey, they're pretty cheap on eBay at the moment, so you know, I'm going to get lots of interesting computer hardware as well in the future. Just do retrospective reviews of it, like old graphics cards, CPUs, motherboards, that kind of thing, and do some overclocking as well as videos on engines, lawnmower engines, car engines, lots of bicycle parts, cycling, dirt jumping, that kind of stuff. Anyway, hope you like this video. See you later. Sorry about killing a CPU that works, but hey, it's all good fun.